Number 18. We have this graph that shows the relationship between the number of shares of stock from company A, X, and company B, Y. We need to find which equation could represent this relationship. So we have these equations of possible answers, and we could find, using this formula, the equation for this line. To find this, we need to find the slope first. So let's do that. And to find the slope, we need 2 points. Let's use this one and this other one. So we have the values of x and y of those points. The first one, when x is going to be this one. First this. When x is equal to 0, the value of y is 40. Now for the second point, when x is equal to 60, the value of y is 0. Now we replace those values in this formula. The slope is equal to, this is y sub 2, 0, minus 40, y sub 1, now divided by x sub 2, that is 60, minus x sub 1, that is 0, which gives us negative 40 divided by 60. We simplify the zeros. We can divide this. Half of 4, 2, half of 6, 3. So the slope is going to be equal to minus 2/3. That's our slope. Now, if we know that the slope is negative, we see that A has a positive slope and C has the same, a positive slope. So A and C cannot be our answers. Let's find our equation, which is equal to, this is the formula for a line. So y is equal to the slope that we just found, minus 2/3, plus b is the y-intercept. Y-intercept means when the value of x is equal to 0, the value of y is 40. So plus 40. That's the equation that represents the relationship between these two companies. Now, how come we need to compare this to the possible answers we have, B and D? We could see the factor of y, and we could multiply this equation by 12 and by 8 to see if it is equal or 8, and we'll have a solution. So let's multiply this equation by 12. So y times 12 is 12y equals to minus, oh, I forgot the x minus 2/3 times x times 12 plus 40 times 12. So we're just multiplying by 12 all of the terms of this equation. Y times 12, this term by 12, and 40 times 12. Let's solve this equation. 12y is equal to, here, since this is a multiplication, we can divide 12 over 3, which is 4, because 3 times 4 is 12, so we have negative 8 times x plus 40 times 12, which is equal to 408. And now we can see that these two equations are the same. Well, basically the same. There's the difference of the sign, that the negative 8x is going to be positive, and we'll have the same equation. So this equation that we found represents the relationship between those two companies. Answer is B.